Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you about the pros and cons of life points that is extremely important for you to know before joining life points. So firstly let me tell you, if you want to sign up to life points, I have also provided a link in the description of this video. You can directly sign up from that link and you'll also get 10 life points by just signing up. You just need to sign up and confirm your email and start building your profile to get various offers that can help you to make money with this life point. So now without any delay, let's start to talk about their pros. Pros number 1 is that they have lots of survey available 24/7. However, you will not qualify for all the survey, but still there will be very much surveys available that you can apply and take to make to keep on adding points to your account. Pros number 2 is that the survey available on the live points can be completed in average of 10 minutes, meaning there are lots of paid survey site that will make you to take survey that can last long up to 30 minutes and don't pay you good amount of cash. But in case of life point, you can complete various surveys in short period of time to increase your points. Pros number 3 is that this life point is in the market since so long that it is totally trustable and anyone can join and earn a decent amount of cash. However, I keep on saying that paid surveys are good way to earn extra cash in your free time, but you cannot earn a fortune by joining any paid survey site, and you can trust life points without any hesitations. And this life point also doesn't have any geographical limitation. You can access to life points from various countries. It provides surveys in almost 26 languages. Now let's talk about the cons of the life points. So cons number 1 is that they do not have a customer service where you can directly talk to a human. However, you can create support ticket or visit their knowledge center to get your query fulfilled. But still, if they could have made a direct human to human chat function, then that would have been a great for each and every individual who are taking part in life points. Cons number 2 is that there are complaints about life point that they have cancelled account of the people, and they have also hold and not paid to various users. Maybe that it could not be a fault of the company, but still that is a shady point, and it is extremely a cons that I should definitely mention in regards of the life point. And maybe those users have done something tricky, that's why life points have done so, but still they did so, and it is a cons of the life points. Cons number 3 is that it is uncertain that how much one life point values. So if you sign up to the life point and you get a 10 life points, then it is uncertain that how much that value would be in a currency, which is a huge cons and drawback for life point. So it keeps on changing their points value, and that is a huge drawback of life points. Another huge cons is that these points that you are going to get through the life points can expire. So meaning if you are not able to withdraw from life points, then in 3 years, if you don't withdraw that point from life point, then it is going to expire, meaning you need to reach the minimum threshold of life points and withdraw from the platform, so that your points doesn't get expire. And this is also a great drawback of life points. However, this much thing I wanted to put in this video. However, if you want to join life points, I have given the link in the description of this video. Similarly, I have also given a link to paidsurveyinfo.com. You can visit that site and check other paid survey sites, about other paid survey sites that can help you to make money online. So I hope this video was a bit helpful for you, and please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Now I want to take a leave. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.